morning, everyone. Hi, it's Phoebe. I hope everyone's having a lovely day today. So in today's video, I will be unboxing some giveaway winnings that I got from Carolinabugg. I will be posting her information all down below if y'all want to go and check out her channel. She does a lot of hauls, like from Dollar General or from Dollar Tree, whatever catches your eye. And she's also having an ATC challenge as of right now. I will be posting all the information here. So if y'all are definitely interested in joining and supporting our crafty friend, join in and support and participate. All right, you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So this is actually a Halloween giveaway that she recently held on her channel. And I like what she put here. She put, "Congrats, you won." That is such a cute little touch there. And let's see what we have. I tore through something with my scissors. Sorry. This is the cutie that I accidentally tore trying to get her open. I mean, I tried to get it as close as I could to the seam, but I still failed. Look at this cute Halloween baggie. Oh my gosh, it's gonna look so cute in my journal. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Isn't she precious? Look how cute she is. All right, so let's go ahead and dig through this first, since it was the first little guy that popped out. Oh, she wrote a little letter. Oh my god. And she even put my channel name. Okay, look, here's her information, you guys. That's her channel name. It says, "Hi, BB's Closet Creations. Congrats on winning my Halloween subby giveaway. Thanks for being such a supportive subby. I appreciate you. Have fun with your winnings. Hugs, Theresa." Look at this cute little clothespin. Ooh, I dropped something. Oh, it's a little, it was a Dollar Tree gift card. Oh my goodness. I can't remember everything that she had in here because, I mean, it's such a generous giveaway. So Theresa, thank you so much. Look how cute that is. This is definitely going into my journal. Lovely, thank you. Look at this confetti. I want to use this for my husband's birthday so I can sprinkle it on the table and stuff. That would be so cute, and I think he would love that. And check out this card. Isn't this so cool? And I know that she says she added a couple of details to this. I remember that in her video. And it expands like this. How cute is that? Look at this. She added these little cuties right there. I remember her mentioning that. Look how adorable that is. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Created by Theresa, YouTube, Carolinabugg. Beautiful handmade card. I love handmade things. Alrighty, and we have some stickers here. It's a Halloween party. Let's open it up. Alrighty, so these are the first ones that we have on there. I love her hair. It just looks so raggedy and cute. Beware, happy Halloween. We have Gone Batty. Look how cute these hollow ones are. You get it? Hollow. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are so adorable. Ooh, check that out. I need to back this up onto something so y'all can see it better, because look how cute. This is going to look cute in my spooky journal that I'm currently working on. It's my first spooky journal, so I'm hoping to figure out how to incorporate colors and stuff together, because I find that I restrict myself to a bunch of the same color scheme, and I want to kind of move along into incorporating other colors, you know. Look how pretty these are. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, how adorable. These are so cute. Oh look, and we have some little botanical ones with some pumpkins. That was fun. All right, let's move on to what we have next. And this is the 6x6 matte stack Halloween party. How adorable. It's 24 sheets in here. I gotta open this up so I can take a look at it. Alrighty, now that I've gotten it open, I want to get y'all close up on this packaging. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, and it's double-sided. Don't y'all just love double-sided? But of course, sometimes it can make it difficult to pick because, you know, both sides could be cute at the same time. So Ooh, I love those pastel oranges. Pastel orange. Look at this. Ooh, sparkly. How cute are those? I was doing better flipping up like this, huh? Theresa, thank you so much for these. I will definitely be using these. Oh, I love that. Look at this. You seen the kitties and the broom. What's y'all's favorite thing about Halloween? Please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. Yes, yes, yes. That's how I feel right now. Oh, how cute. Look at that. Oh, so stinking adorbs. And that was it, you guys. Thank y'all so much for coming along and joining me on this lovely unboxing. Let's go support our friend Theresa over at Carolinabugg. And yes, also, let me remind y'all again, she is having an ATC challenge as of right now, going through November 30th. So plenty of time for y'all to still participate. Thank you guys so much. And I will catch y'all on the next one.